E kindeni ma piny ngima yango odiochieng mar kansa, jatend migawo mar thieth Susan Nakumicha nolimo kaunti ma Garissa kama noyange kar thiedho tuoche mag kansa. Od thieth kansa noero okelo geno ni jotuo modak e gwenge ma nyandwat ma piny Kenya. Nakumicha wacho ni nitiere dwaro mar riwruok e kind piny owacho mamalo kod mag gwenge e nyako ne kedo gi tuo mar kansa. Jokanya sekta ma thieth dhi nyime gi puonjo oganda e wi ber mar dhi e pim chon kendo fwenyo kansa kapok ochakore.
Yes, headed by Mrs. Lee. They really helped me.
Thank you so much. Mine is to welcome you. Feel at home for the rest of the day. Thank you so much.
Of good event. Nothing abnormal has happened. And I just wish you to...
Age 10 to 14 years for HPV.
To this facility. And all feel welcome.
By extension. Mine is...
And we were happy that we were able to have persons living with the condition. Our cancer survivors were able to come in and give us really practical or their lived experience. And out of that, and out of the interaction between the survivors, the experts, different stakeholders, we were able to come up with a common plan of action. We were able to come up with a communique. And where we are focusing more is really to how we can join our efforts together. We appreciated that it's not just an issue of the health sector, it's an issue of different stakeholders to partner so that we can drive awareness, we can improve our capacity for screening and early detection. And we were happy that our cabinet secretary was there and she made a commitment about the Ministry of Health and the health sector in general improving financing for health and more particularly financing for cancer care.
We are focused on integrated service delivery, which means that when you go to any of our facilities, you should be able to get a holistic approach to care, whether it's screening, treatment, or diagnosis, and so on and so forth. So what we are doing is that, of course, we know we've not had medicines and other health commodities, which include diagnostics. So we are capacity building, or we are resourcing our primary care networks to be able to, first of all, do the diagnosis. The community health workers, sensitizing the community, will be able to make people seek treatment, go to the hospital for screening. And then the other thing, of course, is availability of drugs, which, from next week we